morning children, class 10. We are discussing chapter coordinate geometry, and today we have to derive the distance formula. Understanding? Suppose coordinate geometry. So you see here x and y. OX is the horizontal line, OY is the vertical, they intersect at the point O is called the origin. Suppose P and Q are any 2 points on the coordinate geometry. Understanding? Suppose P and Q are any 2 points on the coordinate plane. So the point P, suppose the coordinate of point P is x1, y1, and the coordinate of Q is x2, y2. For example, you see, suppose like this. I have explained you now. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your x and this is your y. Now, suppose this is 3. This is the point P. What the coordinate of P? P you see here. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to 4. The coordinate of P is 3, 4, x3 and y is 4. Similarly, suppose P x1, y1 and Q x2, y2. Means P and Q are any 2 points on the coordinate plane. We have to find the distance between PQ. We have to find the distance between PQ. What is the distance between PQ? Understood? We have to derive the formula. Now you see, from P, you draw the perpendicular to the OX like this. I have drawn. Okay. Figure given like this. This is P and this is Q. So like this you have to draw the perpendicular to x-axis. Similarly, perpendicular to OX. So perpendicular from P, drawn perpendicular PR to OX, and from Q, draw the perpendicular QS to OX. Okay, understood? Now again from P, draw the perpendicular to QS like this. This is the perpendicular. Mean this is 90. Up to this all of you clear? Okay. Now what is OR? What is OR? OR. Coordinate of P is x1, y1. x1 is the distance on the x-axis. So this is x1 means your OR is equal to x1. OR x1. And OS means this one, OS is equal to how much? Now Q is equal to how much? X2, Y2. So OS is equal to X2. I have written OS, X2. OR, X1. OS, X2. So what will be RS? This one. So this one will be totally minus this. So this will become. So RS will be how much? RS, I have written RS is equal to OS, this total OS minus OR will become RS, minus OR. But what is OS? OS you see OS I have written here x2, total this is x2, why x2? Because this is x2. Minus OR how much? OR x1. x2 minus x1 is equal to PT also, because RS is equal to PT, because this is a rectangle, PRST, this is a rectangle, because this is 90, this is 90. I have drawn perpendicular, this is 90. So if 3 angles of equality 90, so this is also 90. So if this is a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. If RS is equal to how much? x2 minus x1. So if PT is also x2 minus x1. So therefore I have written x2 minus x1, here is x2 minus x1. Now, what is your QS? QS is this one. QS is equal to your QS on which axis? This is y axis, because this is straight is y. So QS is equal to y2, and your PR is equal to y1, because this is y1, means this is your y1. Up to this is y1. And y2 means from this to this is y2. So QS is equal to y2, and your PR is equal to y1. So if this will be y1, so this is also y1. Just like if this is equal to this rectangle, so this one will be equal to this one. And PR is equal to y1, because x1 and y1 given. So if this is y1, so this is y1. So therefore, what will be your q? This is qt. So qt will be how much? Now qs total. This is qs minus ts. If this is minus, so this will come. So total this is qs is equal to y2, and your ts how much? y1. So qt will be y2 minus y1. Understand? I have written also sq y2, sq, this one, sq is equal to y2, st is equal to pr. This is st is equal to pr is equal to y1. So qt is equal to, qt means this one, qt is equal to sq means total minus st is equal to y2 minus y1. So this is y2 minus y1, and this side is x2 minus x1. Now PTQ. What is PTQ? P2 is a right angle triangle. Now applying the theorem, Pythagoras theorem in triangle PTQ, because why I will apply Pythagoras theorem? Now because this angle is 90, because PT perpendicular triangle. So what will you get? PQ is the hypotenuse. So PQ square is equal to PT square plus a QT square. Sum of the square of two sides is equal to square of the hypotenuse. So therefore we get PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. PT square plus QT square. In place of a PT square, PT is equal to how much? X2 minus x1. The x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus yn whole square. So PQ square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus yn whole square. So what will PQ? PQ is the square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus yn whole square. So this is called the distance formula. This is called the distance formula. So one thing remember, so PQ should not be negative because distance is always positive. Okay, or 0, but not the negative. So therefore PQ is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus whole square root over. So this is the formula. If the 2 points P and Q are lies on the coordinate plane, then the distance between PQ is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus yn whole square. Also we can write this is the same as x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Also we can write. Why? Now because you see 4 square 16 minus 4 square also 16. So y2 minus y1 is equal to, if you take common, is equal to y1 minus y2. Now y2 minus y1 whole square same as minus y1 minus y2 whole square is equal to y1 minus y2 whole square. So therefore x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square same as x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now again, if this is the coordinate plane, if P is any point on the coordinate plane, so what is the distance of a P from origin? P from origin. The coordinate of P given xy. So from P draw the perpendicular to OX. So this is how much y, because this one is parallel to this. So y means this is y, and suppose this is t say. Now what is OT? OT, this is x means this is x, this is x, this is y, this is 90 degree. If you use the Pythagoras theorem, you will get OP square is equal to OT square plus PT square. Okay, so OP square is equal to OT square plus PT square means x square plus y square root over. Okay, so if the point P is any point of coordinate plane, then distance of P from origin is x2 plus a square plus y2 whole square root over. So tomorrow I will solve some examples. Thank you. Have a good day. God bless you.